Hello and welcome to our video on evaluating your current financial situation. It's important to regularly assess your financial health to ensure you're on track to meet your financial goals. In this video, we'll go over some steps you can take to evaluate your current financial situation. Let's get started. Step 1. Calculate your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between your assets and liabilities. Assets include cash, investments, property, and other valuables, while liabilities include debts such as mortgages, loans, and credit card balances. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. Step 2. Review your budget. Review your monthly income and expenses to determine if you're living within your means. Look for areas where you can cut back on expenses, such as eating out or entertainment, to free up more money for saving or paying down debt. Step 3. Evaluate your debt. Assess your debt to determine if it's manageable or if it's becoming a burden. If you're struggling to make payments or have a high debt-to-income ratio, it may be time to reevaluate your budget and consider debt consolidation or other debt relief options. Step 4. Check your credit score. Your credit score is an important factor in your financial health. A good credit score can help you qualify for better loan terms and credit card offers. Check your credit score regularly to ensure it's accurate and to identify areas where you can improve. Step 5. Assess your savings. Evaluate your emergency fund and retirement savings to determine if you're on track to meet your financial goals. If you don't have an emergency fund, start saving now to cover unexpected expenses. If you're not saving enough for retirement, consider increasing your contributions. Those were some steps you can take to evaluate your current financial situation. Remember, it's important to regularly assess your financial health to ensure you're on track to meet your financial goals. By following these steps, you can identify areas where you need to improve and take action to improve your financial situation. Thank you for watching.